What I've got here is a Yankee Hill machine two-piece gas block. It's the Spectre. I'm not really big on two-piece gas blocks, but in the barrel that I'm working on a 300 blackout 10.5-inch barrel. And right now I'm building it as a pistol, but I think a little bit later I may permanently pin a suppressor on it and use the upper on a rifle. Hadn't really decided yet, but if I start welding stuff on a one-piece gas block, I can't take it back off because of the gas tube. So with the two-piece, if I weld something in on the barrel, it gives me some flexibility. So it's pretty simple. You'll just put it on just like your regular gas block, and then instead of having, set screws, there's 4 set screws that clamp the two pieces together. Okay, gas tube goes in that end, roll pin goes through here. I'm going to put it on and we'll see what it looks like. All right, so we've got the gas tube lined up, the big hole lined up, got the 4 screws tightened like you would a tire, here, here, so that it's all equal. And then I've got this pin here to make sure that the gas tube didn't twist. And I'm just going to put the roll pin in. A roll pin holder would be wondermous. But I don't have any. All right. Here's my completed kit from Ground Zero Precision. It was $360 shipped for this 10.5-inch barrel 300 blackout pistol. Everything came in the kit for $360. I have a different, I've got a sling swivel back here, a single point sling. I've got a barrel nut that's different, so I could put this on later when I permanently pin a suppressor to it, or a barrel extension, or I SBR the receiver, and then my two-piece Yankee Hill gas block. And I like how it looks. It went on pretty easy. Normally, as I said, I prefer something a little more bulletproof and just get a one-piece, but this works great for it. Okay, not a bad little kit, and I think I'm going to order from Ground Zero Precision again. The only thing I will say is it seems to be a small operation. It's good quality parts. The prices are excellent, but you don't get that with speed. It says in the terms of service, don't order for them if you can't handle a 30-day wait time. They weren't very responsive to emails, except for when I thought my pistol buffer didn't come with the kit. I emailed them. They emailed me right back, turned to find out that it was inside the tube, and I had to email them back and say, don't ship me a new pistol buffer. But just, hey, how you doing? Where's my order? They don't respond. So if you can handle the wait times, these guys are awesome. And with all things, this Yankee Hill machine two-piece gas block is good too. So there you go.